let's go over to 3 Years Capital and talk about our favorite villains on the timeline. Suzu and Arthur Hayes involved here. I'm blanking on the third guy's name all of a sudden, so that's rough. Zach can help me out in a second. But got a new serve notice on Twitter. That would be Suzu has requested the ability to block Arthur Hayes from speaking to him in any way, shape, or form. This is basically occurred because of a bunch of tweets that Arthur Hayes has sent to Suzu because Suzu owes him about $6 million. Jen, I'm going to throw the story over to you. This is like another escalation between the OpenX guys and all the creditors out there. And I love it. It's like dramatic. And I love the drama on the timeline right now. Obviously, there's a lot of people who want their money. But for us, like poor slobs who didn't get involved in any of this, we get to enjoy the battles online.
Imagine we could get restraining orders against all these annoying people on Twitter. I think that would just be wonderful. I didn't see all of the tweets that Arthur Hayes tweeted as part of this. I did see some of them. Some of them seemed a little bit aggressive, but apparently he's saying that, he's owed in the millions of dollars and he's speaking for the people. I think Arthur Hayes has a big voice. We were so used to hearing him so often in the media. He went quiet there when he had legal troubles. He's kind of creeping back into the narrative again, and I like it. The part of the story that I kind of zeroed in is the judge said it is okay for this restraining order to be served to Arthur Hayes via his Twitter account. Now, we've been talking a lot about different legal documents being served in Discord and on Twitter. And I really feel like this is something that is creeping outside of the crypto anonymous, pseudonymous world and is like creeping into other kind of legislative actions. And I think it's really interesting and just something that I could have never imagined. And so maybe we're going to see more and more orders and lawsuits being filed on Twitter and Discord and Facebook and Instagram. And that's going to be super strange. Zach?
The man wants his money. He wants his $6 million. And these guys are out here trying to do like a reclamation project on an extremely tarnished brand. And a lot of people are complicit in helping them reinvent themselves for Act 2. Mm-hmm. Arthur Hayes is not having it. And he's standing up, for his right to pop off shots on Twitter.com. I think this is a pretty funny development. Obviously, this is drama literally on the timeline. And we get to watch it unfold in pretty much real time. I don't know. This one seems like I don't want to wade into this one. I don't really want to wade in this war of words, but it is pretty silly to me that the 3AC guys are pursuing legal action here from basically what seems to be like fairly run-of-the-mill crypto Twitter.
Just Twitter.
Banter, just Twitter, guys.
Just Twitter. Just the Twitter fingers, popping off. It is what it is.
Do you think that this could be... Suzu, do you think he filed the restraining order as like a little PR stunt for OPNX? I mean, we're talking about it now. I feel like that could be kind of where the wheels were turning. We fell to the ploy. We did it. We're talking about it. It's here. It's working. Yeah, it is Will's fault.
Yeah, okay, it's Kyle Davies. I don't know why I blanked on his name. It should be etched deeply in my mind because all the pain he's caused to crypto holders. But yeah, Kyle Davies and Suzu are the ones who are sort of in the triangle. Arthur Hayes is trying to get his money back. And, I think, Zach, that there could be something else going on here besides just the Twitter fingers, right? Like Arthur Hayes has tweeted about this many, many times saying like, give me a date, give me a location, give me your guys' address. I want my money back. He said that so many times. And it's been great Twitter content for sure, but there's got to be something going on behind the scenes. So yeah, we have this awesome tweet right here from Arthur Hayes, a wizard-clad PFP, which is also excellent. I think there's something else going on here. I wonder where the creditor process is for other members, right? So this is sort of what I'm thinking about here. Arthur Hayes is just one member of the creditor class that is owed money. I think there's about over $1 billion is owed by Kyle Davies and Suzu. There has to be some back and forth, especially since Kyle Davies and Suzu have not been very open and transparent about their process for repaying people. They stopped talking to people. They got served on Twitter, I think, back in like August or so. there hasn't been a lot of communication, so I think that can lead to some like outbursts on the Twitter timeline and probably like in messaging somewhere else. So I think there's something else going on. That's my last take on the subject.
I can't wait to hear what it is one day.
Okay. Tweets revealed.
Well,
tweets revealed.
Tweets revealed. Hey, these bankruptcy proceedings, they take time, y'all. It's not immediate. It's just ugly and drawn out. And there's big money on the line.